Look at this. Those are like cosmetic jars, and this set comes in 10 cosmetic jars. You can put various stuff in it, like samples, makeup samples, cream samples, even like you can like take it on the go if you're traveling and you need little things. This, whoa, look at these. They're super cute, 5 grams jars, and this lid is leak proof. It's made of glass and it comes with this little cute little thing here. The capacity here is 5 grams. It's made of glass and hard glass. It doesn't break easily. Okay, I'm going to put some cream in here. Look, it fits a lot. So you can use it like to create your own creams as well, like your facial creams, and store it in here and use it if you like to create a DIY stuff at home. Isn't this neat and gorgeous? Look at this. And then you can just take it. Wonderful. It comes in a set of 10. I highly recommend it, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.